Yeah, it's really interesting seeing all the lanes going in. It makes a big difference to the centre. And it's quite an interesting thing for people to see because they've never seen it before, isn't it? You know, looking at the bowling lanes. People don't know what's underneath them, you know, a lot of the time. You've got the machines at the back there. That's the back end. That piece that you can see down the bottom there is the back end of the machine. And then you've got, these are the front ends here. And they're going to be carried over there afterwards. Which will be fun and games. That's a new house ball. Ready to go. 12 pounder. And then the new pins are all moved. Swanky new. A beauty.
How long do they last?
These, well, they could last you, if you look after them, because you can rotate them, they could last you 10, 20 years. You know, depending how busy you are, you know, how well the people bowl.
Yeah.
Well, you're just about there now. We're getting all the equipment in now. The main machines are coming in now, going into place. And about just over another week and they'll be fitted out and ready. And then it's just clearing up the rest of the bits and pieces, kit out the restaurant, put all the furniture in place, carpet's going down the week after next, and then we're ready to fly.
Now, how many job opportunities will this place bring?
There'll be 24 jobs altogether.
And have you had much interest?
And we've had nearly 150 applicants up to now.
150?
Yeah. So there's been an awful lot, so obviously there'll be a few disappointed people, but we've already interviewed some, and some staff are already on board ready to start work on the 1st of May.